Whoa! Damn, oh shit, I came off the track right there. There's no wheel on there. That's good, so one day I'll be lifting it up, or someone will be, and it'll just fall right on top of it. Good, good. And we told this customer, don't have a car parked here, because if it gets hit, it's not my, it is our problem, so don't do it. That's good. Now these are across the street. And I'm gonna be a nice garbage man. I'm gonna pack it while I'm driving so it's not just sitting here revving. Figure this little puzzle out right here. Oh my gosh, this stop is a little bit ridiculous here. Okay, just do it like this. See if I jeez. Oh, the wheels. Damn, what a pain in the ass. I forgot about this. Stop sucks. Come on, man. It's getting a little bit ridiculous now. One. That's easier. Get out of the way when that thing closed. Yeah, when I say sucky stops, I mean stops like that. I guess I'm not gonna back in, I'll just U-turn. Yeah, let's get out. Whew. No wires, one right in front of me. Yeah, I gotta go here. Yeah, damn it. Yep. And then there. Okay, alright, let's go. Alright. Let's see if I can do it here. Not block the driveway. I am completely blocking the driveway. Well, let's do this. Let's do this. There we go. perfect. That guy backed out for me, so I won't have to get out. Woo. See, I made a video about the gates, but these gates are so short. These gates are so small. They just get snagged. I mean, the truck with the arms is probably 8.5 feet wide. Of course, they got a 50-50 shot at get this door right and, you know, make it open on the inside. It's not my fault when it breaks. So I could just dump it right here. Okay. Branch, but that's okay because I could just throw that right back in there. You know what we're gonna do after? I didn't mean to do that. Let's see. I guess I'll just chuck it back in here. Whoa, that scared me to death. I thought that was a person. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, let's do it again. We're gonna slam it in here this time. It's 6:30, people. 6:40. Sorry. I hope you got your sleep. I might need to slam it anyways. Alright, so I'm not gonna just push it off manually because I want these forks up always. Right. Of course the wheels don't turn. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Pain in the ass stop for a 2-yarder, no less. Alright, let's slam this freaking thing. Gosh, everything about this stop is hard. They probably pay $100 a month. Another favorite stop. Alright. Oh, and they got a trailer there. Sometimes you're able to back up where the trailer is, but not today. Woo. Alright, I'm just gonna push it up right to where I need to. Neutral. Come on, come on. And that's gonna fall. Oh, no, got it. If that fell, I would have just let it fall in. Because these are plastic, they're easy to pick up. Metal, if they're empty, you're able to pick them up, but definitely a lot more of a challenge. Deadlifts as a kid, you could probably pick up 2-yarder, maybe a 3-yarder by yourself. You can forget about a 4-yarder. All right, let's see where we're at. Okay. At least it's nice. Make it nice and wide for me. Okay. Alright, so that means that these people throw cardboard away cleanly. You know what? What am I doing? Just put this right here. Never mind, I stand corrected. This is the single stream, full of garbage. That's the garbage. That's empty, so I don't know what happened, but... never mind. Just can't get that recycling right. They can't figure out the brown boxes go in one dumpster and the bags go in another. Yeah, it's a hard concept. Alright, so Torino is that one. This one's Manasquan Bank. It's on that side, but they switched to this spot right here. And this is the good stuff about if you're a swing driver, knowing the route. Now I know the route because I put the route together. I put basically all the front loader routes together and the Corrado ones, like the one arms. So it definitely helps when there's a call out and I need to get on this route to know where I'm going. Alright, so I did not get that dumpster because alright. this isn't the best idea, pulling forward and then backing up, to drop the container, because sometimes people can pull behind you and you can't really see them and tell them to back up. And then, you know, they'll start piling on other people. It'll be harder for them to back up. Then I'll have to drop the container right there and push it back and stuff.